Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about bookmarks. I assume most of you know that today in 3D Experience platform we have two separated and different models of bookmarks. We have the project bookmark coming with project manager role, and we have the bookmark editor coming with collaborative industry innovator role. And the aim actually is to converge on a single application for creating and managing bookmarks. So the first step taken is to allow project bookmark to be connected and synchronized with bookmark editor. And this is done by clicking on this command here named project to bookmark root conversion, available from the project bookmark action bar. And now, after clicking this command, we synchronize the project bookmark with the bookmark editor, and that allows you to navigate project data directly through the bookmark editor. Let's see the video to illustrate you how does that look in the system. We see here the bookmark editor contains only one bookmark, testing procedures. When looking in Project Management application, Project 300D contains 3 bookmarks, which by default are not shown and not accessible in Bookmark Editor, although I'm using the same user login. In order to have the project bookmarks available in Bookmark Editor, I click on the Project to Bookmark root conversion command available in Project Bookmark view, and by doing that, I convert and synchronize the project bookmark with Bookmark Editor. You can note that a new bookmark root has been created that combines all project bookmarks. This bookmark root is now visible in Bookmark Editor, and you can note it has a different icon than the standard one, indicating it's a project bookmark. And the link is maintained, meaning I can create a new bookmark or add content either in Project Management or in Bookmark Editor and access it from both applications. So for example, I'm adding now a new document to Customer Requirements Data Bookmark, which is a project bookmark, but I do it in Bookmark Editor. This document now is automatically available also from the project bookmark view, as you can see here. No additional synchronization is required. And vice versa. I can also modify the bookmark in project management. For example, I can create a new bookmark under the root node, give it a name, click OK, and I can also add a document to it easily just by drag and drop. Open the File Explorer, drag and drop to the relevant drop area. And again, no additional synchronization is required. The link is maintained. Therefore, after refresh of the Bookmark Editor widget, I can see the new bookmark created in Project Management contains the uploaded document.